We've talked about the 51 different design criterias and how we optimize, right? How we optimize. So I've got the list of 51 reasons why dental implants can fail, like complications and things that happen from these different parameters. And as a dental implantologist, what we have to do is we have limited resources. Our time and effort has to be optimized and maximized. So if we said there are 5 or let's say 4 cornerstones to implantology, the 4 most important things that we want to get right. And by getting those right, we have a 99.9% success rate. The other, let's do the math real quick, 47 or 47 different parameters are secondary, tertiary, quaternary from those first 4 most important ones. They have the biggest bang for the buck. So cupping might be down around parameter, might be ranked somewhere around 43, like way down at the bottom, like after you solved all these other problems and managed all these other issues, then you might look into what do we do about a 0.5 millimeter of cupping around a dental implant.